What is up, Ewo crew? Check it out. Today we're heading down this way. We're trying to get up over into these mountains. I think we're looking for a miner's cabin, and if you look over here, you can see the sun's going down, so we're kind of limited on time, and we have some storms behind us, and it's monsoon season, so we have to be very careful because we're going to be going in to this valley right over here. This valley right over there, we're going to be going up. But yeah, I think that's the way, guys. So let's get on our way up there and let's go see. Hopefully we'll be able to find this old miner's cabin. It looks pretty cool. I'll show it to you guys on Google Earth in a minute. So here it is on Google Earth. You can see it looks like a couple buildings maybe, or one building. Well, we're running out of light. We better go. Let's go. The f was that? Did you hear that? Mm-hmm. The f was that? Did you hear that? Mm-hmm. Alright, what's up, Ewo crew? Check it out. If this isn't creepy, I don't know if my camera would have picked up that noise. We do have, of course, we have rattlesnakes out here. We have, mountain lions, bobcats. But check out how creepy this place looks. That was a weird noise. I'll have to go check it out.
That's what I heard earlier. That's what I tried to tell you.
Okay, we got mice in here, which is, could carry the hantavirus, so I gotta be real careful. What do you guys think this was right here? A little porch or something? Well, that's a wildlife out here. Like I was saying, we got mountain lions out here. We got bobcats. We got lots of coyotes. So, abundant wildlife out here. And we are literally, listen, if I be quiet, you will hear nothing at all. That's how far in the middle of nowhere we are right now, guys. Now, there's a mine tunnel up in the mountains right there. I can actually see the waste rock pile. If you guys would like us to come back and explore the mine tunnels, because I think that's what this was, part of the mine tunnels, let me know in the comments below. So let's go check this out. Yeah, watch out for snakes too, rattlesnakes. Check out this old decorative. Check out the old decorative walls right here, the tin they used. Not sure if that's coming through the camera or not. Oh, this is creepy, guys. Actually, I'm feeling a little creeped this time. Killer bees, can't forget the killer bees. Over here we have, this would have been a little workshop. Over here, oh, my boots are gonna drive me crazy, guys. Check this out. This would have been like a little dining room, I think. Check that out. There's a little table. Look at the room. Look at all the windows. You see all the windows. Oh, there's a tarantula hawk up there. Or something. A cricket. Well, look at this windows here. Look at. This is pretty awesome. The windows you have right here. This would have been a pretty cool place to chill and eat your dinner at night. Looks like we lots of rodent droppings. We got to walk softly in here. Look at this table though. Look at that. They would have sat here and ate their dinner. Yeah, as if someone took the time to hand tile it. Let's go this way. Look at this. There's a little barbecue out here. They had their own little barbecue set up right outside this door. A lot of rodent droppings, so right above our heads too. Look, really bad. I'm hearing all kinds of weird noises. I almost want to get my phone out and check the EMF readings. Let's go this way. Oh, I just saw a mouse right there running in. And here's the hallway. This would have been the hallway here. So let's go follow the mouse, guys. Not sure where the mouse went. Well, look at this. Here's what would have been the kitchen. Hey, look at all these pipes up here, guys. Whoa, look at that maze. Why would someone do that? Could you imagine trying to find out a leak in one of these pipes? No way. Heck no. Oh, there's the mouse. He's right there. He has nowhere to go. So he's kind of hopping around.
I'll zoom in on him.
There he is. He's in the drawer. He ran up in the drawer.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check it out. This would have been the kitchen, obviously. This would have been the kitchen. And over here, let's see. They tiled the floors here. Oh, look at that floorboard. Heads up, guys. I don't know if this floor is going to be safe to walk on. Let's try to see. Look at, here's the bathroom. Look at the tile in the bathroom. I always thought the bathroom was all tiled. Like they had a full-on shower up here. Check it out. They had a full-on shower. Hey, what the heck? Look at those big old jugs up there. I don't know if you guys can see. Some massive jugs up there. Massive jugs. Massive water containers. That's what that must have been. They're huge. Whoa. That must have been how they got the water. Really, they tiled the walls in here. Took the time to tile it. Let's get a better look, huh? I don't want to fall through this floor. And there's a little hatch right here. I wonder what that was for. A little hatch. Look at this, guy. Should we open this up? I honestly don't know. Look, there's some jarred food right there. Whoever was living here was into some jarring canning of the food. Oh, my shoes make some awesome noise. Huh. Look at that, guys. What do you think? Should we open it up? Yeah, I have to get my gloves out of the car, guys. We'll open that up in a second. Let's go see some more. Alright, guys. We're going to go ahead and open this and see what's in here. I don't know what it is. So they don't animals come out at me. I want to pick up dust, though. Hey, look at that, guys. What the heck? It's all canned foods and stuff. Old jars. Spiders. Check it out, some old jars here. This is canned food. And what is this one? Oh, no, that wasn't good. There's so much rodent stuff, guys. I really don't want to dig around too much in here. This is from Muncie, Indiana. I wonder if they're still in Muncie, Indiana.
Indiana?
Indiana, Muncie, Indiana. Indiana, Muncie, Indiana. Alright. Well, should we go? Alright, guys. Let's see what this one is.
Try not to pick up too much dust.
Alright. Barely reach. More. Looks like we need more. God. No. Hold on. It's not. What the? Check that out, guys. It looks like a freaking Monopoly money. Is that like Monopoly? A bunch of pennies. Let's just see if I can open that. I can't get that open.
No flashlight.
I can't get that open. Let's take it out. Let's see if there's anything else in here. God, I want to come back in here and run my metal detector, but it's getting dark. I see eyes right there, like, looking up at me.
Yeah.
Check these other canned bottles real quick. Let's come back here during the day. I'm gonna come back here during the day, guys, and we're gonna use my metal detector in there for sure. Okay, 'cause it's getting really dark. Check it out, guys. Is that like United States 10 cents fractional currency?
Careful with the dust.
I'll have to check this out, guys, when I can get it open. Top is frozen. I'm gonna get this home. We're gonna check this one out. We gotta look around here more. We're gonna have to come back here, guys, and hit this place with a metal detector for sure. No way we can't. Let's I say we look around a little more, cause I don't want. There's another mouse. Holy moly, they're everywhere. You know, guys, I can see the date. 44, 1944. There's a, well, look, it looks like a, I don't know, a steel penny maybe right there. Yeah. What do you guys think? Is that not cool or what? Dude, I gotta come back here with a metal detector. If it wasn't so dark, I'd say let's get out the metal detector right now. I'm gonna have to come back with a metal detector to this place. No way. All right, when I get this home, I'll be able to get this top off. And I won't break it or anything. I won't break the jar. It's all scratched up. Anyways, so I'm gonna grab my other camera. We'll go check this place out and just do a really quick look around. This is still pretty cool. Wow, that is awesome. All right, I'm gonna put this in the car. Well, guys, this is what I was hoping to avoid. Driving down this thing in the dark. Because it's gonna be pretty rough. I wanted to show you guys the rest of this place before we go. You guys ready? There's a mine tunnel up there. It makes me wonder what's left of the mine tunnel. Let's go. Hopefully we don't run into any animals up here. You want to hold that for us? This would have been like the garage where the dude parked. And it's kind of cool, guys, because you know what? When you come through here, this is like he would have come through here because his mine, whoever had this, the mine was up this way. I could see it on Google Earth. There's a mine tunnels. And here, oh, look at this. It says something. History repeats. Hope that comes through the camera. History repeats. That's kind of interesting thing. And there's like a hole up there. Oh, we should get my camera out. Let's get my phone out. I have an EMF reading on there for ghostly stuff. Okay, guys, here's the EMF reading. And to be 100% honest with you guys, I have no idea what this means. But I'm going to keep an eye on it. And if it starts, I guess, jumping around or something, there's no, as you can see, I don't know anything about these things, to be honest with you. It's measuring a magnetic field. I don't know what's normal or abnormal. But I'm going to keep an eye on it. And if we see any strange jumps, EMF reading right there. Man, I want to look around this place some more now for sure. I want to check this place out for sure. But anyways, so I have my little meter out. We'll see. And it shuts off. My phone likes to shut off. I'm not really sure what it means. We're up to 52. It's getting higher the higher we go up this direction. Up, went back down. So anybody wants to explain to me what it means, we'll check on it every once in a while. This would have been the place where the guy would have parked his car probably, of course, and then he drove through it to his road, probably preventing people from going to his claim. He got some old cans over there. This is a pretty cool old shed. Ooh, we got something else over here. Trying to stay out of the buildings because this place is really infested with mice. I mean, I can hear them as I'm walking around. Mice everywhere. Let's just take a look inside this here real quick, guys. Let's just take a look. Oh shit! Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. It's got to keep you on your toes a little bit, right? You might have been getting bored. Man, look at this. They had this whole area with concrete all over the whole area. They put concrete. Look. That's pretty boss. What do you guys think this was over here? And look at the pipes again. These people were crazy with their piping. That is so wild. And look at the pipes right here. See, one thing about hantavirus, you guys, you should know is if you usually outdoors, it can't bother you because it's killed by the UV rays from the sun. So outdoors, you're usually okay. But once you get in the indoors, all bets are off. And it's got a 50% kill rate. So I don't want to try to mess with it. Hey, look at this. Look at those old towel racks right there. They made their own towel racks. And this would have been the bathroom.
Ooh, what's that right there?
Possibly a shower.
Oh, this is it.
Oh, my stupid boots. Sorry, guys, you hear my boots squeaking. I'm sorry. Hey, look, there's a little place to put their soap. And it looks like there's still soap chilling in the little soap container. And a shower head. What'd they do? Use the bathroom and take a shower at the same time? Inquiring minds want to know. Or maybe that was just to flush it, actually. And then still has the whole mat right there, the bathroom mat. I really wonder who owned this place. What a cool place. They had everything out here. And they were so far out in the middle of nowhere. I mean, geez, this is crazy. So there's the old bathroom, guys. Check the EMF reading right here. See if we can't get anything on video. EMF reading. Outlast 2. Whenever I say that, let's see if we get a spike. See, it's up to 47 now. Again, I have no idea. If anybody wants to school me on what that means, go ahead and let me know. in the comments. So we're up to 50, 52, getting spikes of it. And there's absolutely nothing out here. There's no electricity out here now. I mean, completely. You can tell there was more buildings here, for sure. Wow, what a creepy place. What do you guys think? I wonder if the people who lived here died. They died out here. That's why it's empty. Look at this setup they had. What an awesome setup. Look at, they got concrete running all over the place. Little walkways. Man. Although getting up here wouldn't have been very fun because it is a heck of a ride up here. It took us a while, man. It got dark on us. So up this road here. Hey, is that a old ore cart track right there? I think so. Look at that. Look at that. Old ore cart track right there. So they must have had a good sized mine up here. And if we'll take it next time, we'll drive up to the mine. Because the mine is just right up this road, I think. According to Google Earth, it's right up this road. But back in the day when these people owned it, you can tell they didn't want anybody coming through. They had this blocked off right here. They're like, hell no, you're not going up to our mine. They were ready. The heck is that? Hey, I'm seeing a light over here. Do you see the light over there? Oh, it's gone. Whoa, guys, that's a trip. Now, I want to say, could have been a reflection. Let me take out that reading and see if we got any reading. That doesn't look like Outlast. That is crazy. I'm gonna just grab this real quick. Now we're at 55. It's gone up a lot. I have no idea what that means, guys. If you know, tell me. Because I wouldn't mind knowing how to use these, because I think it's kind of cool. A lot of people want to know, you know, they say, hey, if you don't believe in ghosts, then why do you, you know, say that or whatever. It's not that I'm not a firm believer in ghosts. You see, I guess you'd say I'm agnostic when it comes to ghosts, because I don't know whether they exist or not. I have no idea. So my opinion is, if I find they exist, I think that'd be pretty cool. I'm definitely not closed-minded to the possibility. Look at these old cans over here. Really old. All right, guys, I gotta navigate this crazy road out, man. Wow, I can't believe I found that still. I gotta get home and check those coins out and just see. It looked like there's a bunch of worthless pennies, but I don't know. I don't even know what. And then a fractional reserve note for $10. It was a $10 fractional reserve note. We're gonna get out of here. It's hard to leave. I really want to pull out my metal detector and just scan around here, man. I'll have to come back another day and do some metal detecting and just see what I can find. Because we have some tin here, and I got my White's MX. Let me show you guys my metal detector. I want you guys to know something about these guys. White supports our channel, guys. So here it is, guys. Here's my White's MX Sport metal detector, and these guys are my sponsor. They gave me this metal detector, and it's pretty awesome. I've been using it a little bit here and there, but I'm going to start using it a lot more. I really hope you guys, if you guys want a metal detector, please check out White's Electronics. Remember, they're built right here in the USA. That's hard to find these days, guys. And if you use the description, if you use the link in my description, guys, you will save 15%, I want to say. I can't remember. It's either 10% or 15%. I can't remember, guys. But you'll save a nice chunk of change, and you guys will support us, man, and we always appreciate your support. You guys keep us. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't even be out here right now, being able to enjoy this. All right, we're out of here, guys. We got a pretty crazy ride down the road, man. Pretty crazy ride. Man, I want to pull out the metal detector. It's hard to leave. Well, we better sign off. Okay, guys. Remember, keep it real, guys. Ewu crew, remember that. We love you guys, whatever, and all that stuff. Okay, lights on here. There we go. Now it's gonna be really hard to drive down. because all the holes look way bigger when you're driving down this stuff. Everything looks larger, like the boulders and everything. Everything looks larger.
Like the big jugs. Whoa, look.
Big jugs.
You gotta leave that.
The big jugs, guys. Okay, guys, we're heading down this creepy roadway here. I mean, man, I would want to break down knocking on wood. Knock on the wood here. Plastic wood. Think that works, guys?